In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment voucher in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner trying to streamline your accounting processes or a freelancer looking to keep your finances in check, understanding how to create and customize payment vouchers is a valuable skill to have. So, let's dive into the steps and get you comfortable with this fundamental task. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Here is where we'll start our journey. Direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Create button. You'll notice that QuickBooks offers a myriad of options to choose from, but for our purposes today, you'll want to click on Pay Bills. This is where you can manage your payment vouchers. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to a new page where you can select the specific bills you want to pay. It's as simple as checking the box next to the corresponding bills on the list. In addition to this, you have the flexibility to schedule your payment date. This feature is particularly handy if you're looking to manage your cash flow efficiently and ensure that your payments are made promptly. Once you've selected the bills and scheduled the date that works for you, you've successfully created a bill payment. Now that you've created the payment voucher, let's talk about sharing it. QuickBooks allows you to send the payment bill or voucher directly to your email or any other email address you prefer. This is great for maintaining clear and organized communication with your vendors or simply for your records. But what if you want to put your own professional touch on the appearance of your payment vouchers? No worries, because QuickBooks also gives you the ability to customize the style of these documents. To do this, click on Settings found in the top right corner and then select Custom Form Styles. Here, you'll find options to edit the look and feel of your payment vouchers. Whether you want to include your business logo, choose different colors, or adjust the fonts, there's a lot you can do to ensure that your documents reflect your brand's identity. So, there you have it. You now know how to create a payment voucher in QuickBooks Online, schedule the payment date, share it with others, and even customize its appearance to align with your business's style. I hope you found this guide informative and helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to continue mastering QuickBooks Online. See you next time.